Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about a very interesting tool hidden in Excel, and it's called Camera Tool. Before we jump into Camera Tool, let's understand what exactly it is. The Camera Tool is nothing but like a dynamic vector monitor. Means, um, a dynamic vector monitor, what exactly it's do? It's usually refers a system where the vector like movements, direction, lightning, etc. are reflected across surface in real time. So in this Excel, this camera tool acts like a CCTV camera. Means what we can do to create a dashboard of the different tables that we are having in different sheets. We can have the VLOOKUP to pull out the different details that we are having. Let's say if I'm coming here into store Kolkata, so I have created all those to save our time. So we can see, right, like what exactly I tried to do here is I assume that there are, let's say that you have opened a store, right? And you are not having just one store, you have the stores in Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, Indore, and Assam. Now, you are selling couple of items there, like electrical, some gift items, some home decor across the stores that you are having. And you being a owner, you just wanted to see, right, like what was the monthly goal for this specific store and what about the actual sale that achieved, right? And in case there are some issues, like, if someone is not able to achieve what was the target, then you can get to the shop and just see, right, like, whether this specific item is working there or not, whether the demands are there or not. So now moving to the different sheets, like first I'm going coming here in store Kolkata and just see, then Chennai, then this, then Indore, then Assam, like, there are so many, maybe there are lot more, right? But it's quite difficult, right? Who is doing what? All the time you just go to different sheets and just check. So we can create a master dashboard, right? So for the master dashboard, we can have like kind of like store Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, and then we can just give the different items, and then we see, right, like, who is doing what. So for that, we will require a VLOOKUP, we will require um like I mean the different functions, right? Like if functions, we can use countif function, we can use, and all those things, whatnot. But if I just say that we are already having a hidden tool where you no need to write any formulas or any functions, but just take a screenshot, which is dynamic in nature, like it will update in live whenever there are some change triggers in any of the sheets, and it will reflect in your dashboard. What did you say? Okay, so let's see, right, like, how it works. To have the camera tools, you won't be able to see in your ribbons anywhere, right? So to have that, you come here at the top, right? So here you can see a small drop down, that is the customize quick access toolbar drop down. So click here, and then you can come to the more commands. Okay, so you come here, then quick access toolbar. Okay, and instead of popular comments, you just go for comments that is not in ribbon. uh, yeah, comments not in ribbon. Okay, now it is, these all are alphabetical, so just scroll to the C. So you can see there is a option, right, camera. You just click on add and then click on OK. You will see the camera option is now available. Now see the magic. Let's say in Kolkata, I'm having this field, right, where we are seeing, right, in Kolkata store, which item is doing how, right? So what I have to do is just select the table that you wanted to display, right? You wanted to keep it in your dashboard. Now click on camera tool. Now come here into the dashboard, and wherever you wanted to keep it, just click. Let's say I wanted to keep it here. Okay. Okay. The same way I can come here. It is already selected. So just have this, come to dashboard, just click here. You can resize it as well. No worries. You simply can resize, right? Same way, come to Hyderabad. I already have selected like this way. Click on camera tool, dashboard. Simply just come here and paste it. I'm not doing this, all those things now. You can just, as I have shown you, right? You can anytime you can just resize it. Indoor store. Let's select this part, come to dashboard, paste it. And we are having the Assam store, right? Just come here, click on camera, and wherever you want it to paste, just click and it will come. So, okay, fine. So it's like, it looks like a screenshot where you can't make any sort of changes here within the within whatever it's coming here, right? But if the real pages are having any changes, so let's, for an example, the actual sale in the electrical part of Kolkata is 1,31,400 and the monthly goal is 1 lakh, right? So let's say that instead of 1 lakh, I wanted to mention that the target is 1,50,000. Okay. And instead of 5 LED bulbs, let's say they have sold 15. Okay. So now it's changed. It changed to 1,50,000 and it changed to 1,43,000. Let's see in dashboard whether it's changed. You see, it is changed. Okay. Let's say I don't like how it looks like. Let's come here into the table design and uh, it's not coming. Okay, no problem. Can I make this change? Okay, I want, let's say, a dark blue or something like this. Okay, and make it white. Let's come to the dashboard. If you are changing the format as well, it will change. Okay, so you can change the color, you can change the format, whatever you will change, it will reflect it. So let's say the Hyderabad store now. It is also 1,43,000, right? So let's say that for Hyderabad, the electrical part is more, the target, let's say 2,50,000. And they might have sold, let's say, what is the most costly item here? 900, right? Electric item. Okay. So instead of 28, they sold, as 18, they sold 28. Okay, so now let's come here into the dashboard and just see whether it is changed. Yes, instead of 1 lakh, it changed to 2,50,000 and the actual sale is 1,52,000. And if I'm changing it further, let's say 200. Now let's come to the dashboard. You see that it is changed as well, the actual sales. So like this way it works. It's a very pretty and small tutorial that I wanted to bring in today's session. Let me know how it works. So basically, when you are using the camera tool, right, whenever you are taking a snap, the way we did, right, um, it is the image file is not a static image. It is not like a PNG or JPG. It instead it creates a drawing object that contains a live reference link of it. Okay. um the logic, like when you take a snap in Excel is what Excel is doing. Excel is creating a shape hole, like in the formula bar property, and it's setting the range, right? So let's say that if I'm just quickly going to show you, so whenever you are selecting, sorry, I shouldn't do that like this way. First I have to select the range and then you have to click on camera. So it is basically, just can see, right, like, it is in the back end, it is setting a range, live range for from A1 till C6. Okay. And whenever there are some changes happens, right? So that triggers to the change in this whatever you take here, right? So whatever you take here, it keep updating whenever there are some change triggers. It is basically, for the quick creation of the dashboard, but it also having some downside. Like if you are using too many snapshots using this camera, like if the Excel is huge, if the workbook is huge, you may see a slowness there. But this is also an option, a very cool option, uh, like that you can use right in day-to-day time. And the best part is, right, like, no one can tamper whatever you are trying to show. Let's say that you have locked all those and you just wanted to show the dashboard only, so that no one can change the actual value like the way we did, right? So that the data tampering is quite impossible. So only the dashboard is visible, right? So that also can be done. That could be another reason of why you can use this tool. That's all for the day. Thank you so much. Let me know if you like today's topic. Have a good one.